How to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then simply click on your profile at the bottom right and click on three lines at the top right. Click on balance. After you click on balance, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on monetization, view more, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on live rewards. After you click on live rewards, it will show you all your rewards. In here, click on how to increase withdrawal limit. Then, as you can see, the more gift rewards you receive this month, the higher the limit is for next month, which is your withdrawal limit. And you will also find some rules, which is gift rewards earned and daily withdrawal limit. And this is how to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.